Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Excellence Academia. Please subscribe, like, comment and share our videos. Thank you so much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, respected teachers and friends, Assalamu alaikum. Students, this is the lecture series of FSC Part 2 Mathematics, and we will discuss 7.2 question number 7 to 12 in today's lecture. Students, question number 7. Find a vector whose magnitude is 4 and parallel to another vector. It means क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है कि आपने एक वेक्टर फाइंड करना है जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड, लेट एक वेक्टर दिया हुआ है आपके पास, ए वेक्टर का नाम इसका रख दो 2i माइनस 3j प्लस 6k। फर्स्ट पार्ट है ये। सेकेंड पार्ट सेम है इसका। मैग्नीट्यूड 4, we have to find another vector, u vector, which is equal to 4 times of a unit vector. आपने ऐसा वेक्टर फाइंड करना है जो कि इसकी डायरेक्शन में और उसका मैग्नीट्यूड 4 हो, मतलब 4 टाइम्स उसके बराबर हो। सबसे पहला काम है आप ए यूनिट वेक्टर निकालेंगे। ए यूनिट वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू ए वेक्टर ओवर ए डिटरमिनेंट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू फाइंड द मैग्नीट्यूड। ए मैग्नीट्यूड इज इक्वल टू 2 का स्क्वायर माइनस 3 स्क्वायर 6 स्क्वायर 4 प्लस 9 प्लस 36 49 का root is equal to 7. This implies that u vector is equal to 4. A unit vector is equal to a vector over a magnitude. 2i minus 3j plus 6k over 7. A unit vector is equal to 2 by 7i, 3 by 7j, 6 by 7k. This implies u vector is equal to 4 times of a unit vector. So it becomes 4 times of 2 by 7i, 3 by 7j, 6 by 7k. So multiplying by 4, u vector is equal to 8 by 7i minus 12 by 7j plus 24 by 7k. This is your required answer. You can solve its second part according to first part. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is, if u, v and w represent the side of triangle, u is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k, v is equal to minus i plus 3j minus k, and w is equal to i plus 6j plus zk, represents sides of triangle. सो फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ z आपने फाइंड करना है. सो if u, v and w are sides of triangle, आपने ये देखना है कि तीनों वेक्टर में से बड़ा वेक्टर कौन सा है. देखिए बड़ा वेक्टर ये आ रहा है 6j वाला. इसका मतलब है बाकी दोनों इसके सम के इक्वल हैं. तो ये कंडीशन हम लगाएंगे u plus v is equal to w. So putting the values 2i plus 3j plus 4k v minus I plus 3j minus k is equal to w. I plus 6j plus zk. Solving these two, left side 2 minus I adding left hand side, I 3 and 3, 6j 4 minus 1 3k is equal to I plus 6j plus zk. We have to find the value of z. That's why we compare only coefficient of k. Comparing coefficient of k. Left side coefficient of k 3, right side coefficient of k z. It means z value is equal to 3. This is your required answer. Now question number 9. Question number 9. The position vectors of A, B and C and D. A vector is equal to 2i minus j plus k. B vector is equal to 3i plus j. C vector is equal to 2i plus 4j minus 2k. And D vector is equal to minus I minus 2j plus k. Show that AB is parallel to CD. We have to show AB vector is parallel to CD vector. First of all, find the two vectors AB and CD. So AB vector is equal to OB minus OA. 3i plus j minus 2i minus j plus k. I plus 2j minus k. This is your AB vector. Now CD vector. OD minus OC. OD vector minus I minus 2j plus k minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k. So minus I minus 2i minus 3i minus 2 minus 4 minus 6j plus 3k. This implies that CD is equal to, taking minus 3 common, we get 2i minus minus plus 2j, sorry, I plus 2j and plus minus k. This is equal to CD vector is equal to minus 3 times of, and this one is vector AB. It means this satisfying the condition of parallel vectors. Here 3 is scalar. This implies that CD is parallel to AB. This is your required answer of question number 9. Now question number 10. Question number 10. Statement is very long, but questions are very easy. So we can say that two vectors u and v and w in space parallel. So parallel vector condition, v is equal to cw, where c is scalar. The vector point in the same direction. We have three parts. First part is same as question number 7. Second part, D part, find the constant A find करना है जी. V vector is equal to I minus 3j plus 4k and W vector AI plus 9j and minus 12k. So we use this condition. V is equal to CW, I minus 3j plus 4k C into W, AI plus 9j minus 12k. I minus 3j plus 4k ACI 9cj 12ck. Comparing coefficient of I and j. Two unknown, that's why we compare two values. I coefficient is 1, I coefficient is AC. This implies that 1 over A is equal to, 1 over C is equal to A. Equation number 1. J coefficient minus 3, J coefficient 9C. Minus 3 by 9 is equal to C. Minus 1 by 3 is equal to C. Put this value in equation 1. Put it 1. A is equal to 1 over C. So it means minus 3. This is your required answer. You can solve D part just like this part. Now part number D. Part number D. Find A and D. If two vectors are parallel, let first vector B vector 3i minus j plus 4k and W vector AI plus bj minus 2k. B is equal to CW 3i minus j plus 4k AI plus bj minus 2k. So it becomes 3i minus j 4k is equal to ACI plus BCJ 2ck. Comparing coefficient of I and j. 3 is equal to AC, 3 over C is equal to A, equation number 1. Minus 1 is equal to BC, minus 1 over C is equal to B, equation 2. And K, 4 is equal to 2C, 4 by 2 is equal to C. So C is equal to 2. Put value of C. Put C in 1 and 2. 3 over 2 is equal to A and minus 1 by 2 is equal to B. These are your required answers of A and B. Now last question of this exercise. Triples. If three angles are given, then if satisfying this values cos k alpha plus cos k beta plus cos k gamma is equal to 1, then these angles are called triples. We have to find one of its part number 1, 45 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Alpha, beta and gamma. This is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma. This implies that cos square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree plus cos square 60 degree. Putting the values of 45 and 60 degree, 1 by under root 2 square, 1 by under root 2 square, 1 by 2 square. It becomes 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So LCM is 4. 2 plus 2 plus 1. So it becomes 5 by 4, which is not equal to 1. This implies these angles are not triples. If this is equal to 1, then we can say that these are triples. So students, आज के लेक्चर में हमने एक्सरसाइज नंबर 7.2 को कवर किया है. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम 7.3 प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर्स के साथ आएंगे. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज है 3 और 4 दोनों. तो इंशाल्लाह तब तक के लिए हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, वैसे दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर करें. थैंक यू सो मच.